Welcome in once again to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. Guys, this is not official financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. Don't forget to destroy that subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much. Also hit that like button. It really does help out the algorithm. With the algorithm, moving on to the content for today, we have the fear and greed index at 50. It's currently neutral. As you can see here, it's been neutral for the last couple of weeks. It was even in fear last month, but it's starting, to uptrend here a bit for the last couple of days, as you can see here. But all in all, it's still a clear downtrend for the fear and greed. So, most likely after this uptrend is over in the next couple of days or weeks, we'll probably have another leg down, to continue this downtrend, unless we pierce through and we make a new local high above 64. So, we'll definitely keep you guys informed by the time we make a next video. Guys, Bitcoin here, we see at a current price of $27,615. Hasn't really made much moves in the last hour or 24 hours, just down 1.27%. But in the last 7 days for the past week is up, a good whopping 5%. So that is a considerable move. Also keeping in mind that the stock market has been going down, for the last couple of days. So that's pretty impressive. Here we see a volume increase of over 100% to $20 billion. Guys, in the last 24 hours, the market cap still holding strong above 500 billion at 538.6 billions. And Bitcoin's holding strong. If we go to the all here, actually, let's go to the yearly chart. We see that we've been spiking up as of late, but we're still down here from the, just continuing the downtrend here for the last couple of weeks to months. And let's see how heading towards the end of the year is going to pan out. Don't forget, we have a playlist for free, link in the description down below. You can come over here, get access to all these, top-notch, solid educational videos for free. Just one click, you're in. It can't get any easier than that. Guys, analyzing the charts here, wow, what a move today for Bitcoin, piercing through the $28,267 previous resistance level, making a new local high when compared to the previous one here. So, of course, as you can see, the RSI is in an uptrend and the price was going down in the downtrend. So now that divergence has played out, in my opinion, with having a high and a higher high, where you had a high and now you have a higher high. Same with the lows. You had a low, you had a higher low here, but now you have a higher low here, just shifting the divergence into the price from the indicator down here. As you can see, we reached $28,600, but now we have a clear sell wick candle here, right back down to the $27,250 support level. Key support, as we can see here, still holding, but also key resistance on the top. Is going to be exciting to see in the next couple of days or weeks how Bitcoin is going to react, and if it's going to pierce through this level and head towards the $29,750, essentially 30K again, or if it's going to reverse from here and revisit the previous $25,000 lows. So it's exciting. Let's see what's going to happen. Guys, on the weekly, we do see that Bitcoin has had a run up from that 25,000 key support that we've been talking about forever on the channel. 25K is that pivotal support that you see. Here was resistance, here acted as support, and it acted as support once again. Now we're below the 21 weekly moving average though, for the last couple of, 2 months per se, with massive sell wicks here. But now we pushed up strongly, up against that 21 weekly, but you can see that clear resistance as of right now. The candle hasn't closed yet. It closes, it's just a new week, so we'll see how it closes by the end of the week on Sunday. But yeah, as we can see here, strong sell wick into the 21 weekly. For now, that's bearish, but plenty of more days for the price to push up and revisit possibly the $30,285 on the weekly chart. So let's see what happens. Then we have another weekly chart, but now showing the indicators down here. We have the RSI and RSI cross up above the 20, so that's a bit bullish on the weekly chart. But again, we have to see if this pump actually holds, or if it's just a fake out, to then curve back down, revisit the low, and maybe continue even down lower. I mean, for now, Bitcoin has been holding strong, still above the 25K level, honestly. So I mean, hey, again, Bitcoin has been doing its job, just holding its key level strong. But yeah, I mean, this could be a peak, guys, before the next impending downfall, as we see here with the massive sell week. This could be it. We had a high, higher high, but now we might reverse and head back down. Who knows? Or we might revisit 30K. I just want you guys to keep in mind those key levels, heading forward in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. Guys, link in the description down below. You can come here to our website. All these great resources for you guys, investment tools and resources for you guys. Guys, thank you so much for your time, your support, and your attention. Stay fresh.